Hi, this is the daily news of Remo TV. I am Oluduru Jeremiah. First, the national scene. The federal government plans to establish solid mineral processing hubs in the 6 geopolitical zones of the country. While speaking at the 2020 Nigeria Mining Week, the Minister of Mines and Steel Development, Olamileko Adegbite, said the hubs will be sited close to the locations of artisanal miners. He made this known while addressing the topic formalizing artisanal and small-scale mining, the urgent need to formulate adequate policy. The Nigerian Immigration Service has held on to the passport of NSAS protester Modupe Odele for the 5th straight day and has refused to disclose reasons for seizing the passport. Odele, who provided legal assistance to protesters who were unjustly arrested by the authorities, was stopped at the Murtala Muhammed International Airport, Lagos, on Sunday on her way to the Maldives through Dubai. On Thursday, she tweeted, "Today is the 5th day that my passport is still being held after it was seized at the Lagos International Airport. If there is no no-fly list, that's okay, but why has my passport not been released yet?" And on the state news, Ogun State Governor Prince Dapo Abiodun has said that the community leaders will be involved in the siting of projects in the areas for proper tracking, monitoring, and sustainability. The governor, who spoke at the virtual town consultative meeting on the 2020 and 2021 Medium-Term Expenditure Framework (MTEF) and 2020 budget for Ogun State Central Senatorial District, held at the governor's office, Okemosun, Abeokuta, noted that involving community leaders would enable them to take ownership of such projects and ensure proper maintenance. On the international scene, the U.S. Secret Service has increased its protective bubbles around Joe Biden as chances increase that he will be the next U.S. president, the Washington Post reported on Friday. The Secret Service sent an extra squad of agents to Biden's campaign headquarters in Wilmington, Delaware. Expectations rose that the Democratic candidate will be able to declare victory over President Donald Trump as early as Friday, the Post reported. The Secret Service, an agency under the Department of Homeland Security, is in charge of protecting the White House and senior government officials, visiting high officials, and others. And on the sport news, Japanese group Rakuten has agreed to continue as Barcelona's lead sponsor for one more season, the club announced on Friday. The e-commerce giant have chosen to activate the extension clause in their current contract signed in 2017, which will take the deal to June 2022. Rakuten and Barcelona agreed to execute the option provided in the 2017 agreement to extend their partnership for an additional season, once the contract's initial 4 years had been completed. And on entertainment, former housemate of the reality TV show Big Brother Naija, Sinclair Timmy, popularly known as Chukiti, has been appointed as the senior special assistant to Bayelsa State Governor Diri. The reality TV star shared the good news via his Twitter page on Friday, November 6, 2020. And that's all on the daily news on Remo TV. For more news, check us up on our social media platform, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube at Official Remo TV. Visit our website at www.remotv.com.ng. I am Oluduru Jeremiah. Bye for now.